Good morning. Thank you, Chairman Biggs and Ranking Member McBath and Raskins. I'm Dianna Muller. I'm a 22-year retired police officer from Tulsa Police Department. I'm a national and world champion shooter and a founder of Women for Gun Rights, a nonpartisan organization dedicated to safeguarding the Second Amendment. It's an honor to represent the countless women who have experienced unthinkable tragedy and crime like murder, rape, domestic violence, and stalking. Their stories are absolutely horrifying, but underscore the importance of our organization and the desire of citizens to protect themselves and their families. Everyone in this room, Democrat and Republican, red shirt or teal shirt, we all have the same goal. We all want to be safe. Women for Gun Rights believes that education is the key to firearm safety and violence prevention. Women are the fastest growing group of gun owners in our nation, and for good reason. We are smaller and less equipped for violence, and firearms level the playing field in an attack from a larger, faster assailant. Women are choosing to carry to protect a life, not to take a life. I applaud the majority for having this hearing, highlighting the positive attributes of guns and gun ownership and welcoming input from people with experience with firearms, with training, and with violence. With 22 years of work in the police work, I can tell you that you are your own first responder. On February 22nd of 2024, Laken Riley went for a jog in broad daylight on a campus in a nice area. She was physically fit, she's brilliant, she's beautiful, but she had no idea the evil she would meet that day. She fought for 18 minutes to save her life. I've been in fights, and 2 minutes is a long time. She fought for 18. She was her own first responder, but she didn't have the tools to come out a victor. One of our best tools is our mind, and how we prepare that is critical for survival. Words have power, and each of you have influence in your communities. If you are telling women that they cannot protect themselves, or that she's more likely to have a gun taken from her and used against her, you're creating a victim. Women for Gun Rights is intent on empowering women and creating victors, not victims. Stop telling women they can't. They can. For example, one of our delegates from New Mexico was asleep in bed. Middle of the night, a serial rapist let out early, broke into her home, attacked her in bed. He had a firearm. She fought him, gained control of his firearm, and shot him 3 times and ran out of the house. The gun that was intended to harm her saved her life. On the other hand, you have Amanda. She was prepared. She had a concealed carry permit, she was a self-defense person, and she parked next to the campus police station. But one night, going to her car, a violent attack happened. He raped her. Not only did he rape her, he went on to kidnap, rape, and kill his 3rd victim. He's in prison now, but Amanda is confident if she had not been legislated out of the opportunity to protect herself, her story and the other girl's story would have come out differently. The law, the common sense law that was supposed to protect her, was the law that made her a victim and caused her pain and another to lose her life. I implore you, stop working against women and start empowering them. If you want to save lives, I respectfully request that this body fund training for our citizens, especially women, to learn how to avoid conflict and survive an attack with any tool she deems fit for the job. It's her body, it's her choice, right? I'll close with this. The Second Amendment, and self-defense for that matter, should not be a partisan issue, but it seems like the Democrats have coalesced against it. I, for one, am encouraged by the efforts of this Congress and this administration to restore our constitutionally protected freedoms and make guns great again.